Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, this lesson is going to be all about how to use the platform and how to get the most out of it.
Really wanted to take this tutorial to walk you through how to use all the different aspects of the app. So we have it built into every single week, broken down into each individual day. You're just going to go and click on the little arrow, and that's going to toggle open the accordion of all the different lessons that are for that day or for that week. So when you're inside day one, we have everything broken down into bite-sized pieces of information. So we encourage you to just do the material that is based for that day and to not skip ahead. I know it's really tempting to try to peruse and try to launch forward and try to do more. But really what we're trying to do with this program is to instill these healthy habits in you consistently by doing these little bits of bite-sized information. Now, there's a lot of information here. We are covering everything bow to stern, every possible part of the health and fitness journey, from fitness, nutrition, mindset, cooking. There's a lot of material here. So we want to really, really stress that you do not need to remember and track 100% of this information. There's not going to be a test at the end of the week. There's not going to be a test at the end of the program. There's nothing that you have to hold on to, and it's meant to be a resource and a guide for you to come back to it, to reference it at any point in time. So the days are broken down really efficiently in with lessons around reading or videos or links to external videos or the workouts. And we really wanted to take the guesswork out of it for you, and we have it really broken down so you can just walk down day by day and have it be a really easy experience.
Exactly. So what to expect over these next 6 weeks will be 4 workouts every single week. There will be Monday, Tuesday, or Thursday, Friday. Wednesdays and Sundays are going to be yoga flows. Those are those active recovery days. And Saturday, you're going to be required to get outside and really enjoy the benefits of being outside. Now, we ask that you put in about 45 minutes to an hour a day into the program. That's going to include everything from the education to the workouts. Now, one thing to note is that you don't have to sit down and knock everything out in 1 hour. If you've got spare time throughout the day, stop and read, take 5 minutes on a break from work and read one of the articles, and really just do this when it fits into your time, because this is supposed to be a resource that is going to help you not feel like another task to do on your busy day. So this is meant for you to be quick, efficient, to regain control of your health and really get the tools and knowledge that you need in order to be self-sufficient and implement these things into your life for the rest of your life. So we're super excited to have you guys here in this program with us. And if you need any help, please remember that Ian and I are in your corner through this entire process, and we cannot help you if you do not ask for it. So please ask for help, show love in the community so we can all rise up together.